Rick from Machinery Consultants here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We are going to video this heavy-duty Lathe and Shipley 24-inch by 126-inch tool room lathe, serial number 41949. It's an extremely low-hour lathe from storage. The swing over the bed is 24 inches. The swing over the cross slide, 16 inches. The maximum distance between centers is 126 inches. It's got an L1 spindle nose. The spindle bore is 1.75 inches. It's got 24 spindle speeds, 14 to 1,160 RPMs. It's got a number 5 tailstock taper, 60 feet, 4 to 256 TPI. It's got 60 feet, 0.0039, 0.0625 IPR. It's got a 10 horsepower main drive motor. The machine weighs about 10,000 pounds. Comes complete with power rack and traverse on the x-axis, hardened bed ways, an 18-inch 4-jaw chuck. Also comes with a 15-inch 3-jaw chuck. And we've thrown in an Aloris quick change tool post with the Jacobs drill chuck. Also comes with a taper attachment with a bed clamp, a coolant pump and system. It's got a full chip pan throughout the whole bed of the lathe. Okay, with saying that, I would like to run this machine for you. RPMs. Picture these lathes here. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, reverse. a steady wrench with this that we forgot to mention. Absolutely beautiful. You can see the brake works. The brake works awesome. Shuts it right down. Okay, well that pretty much wraps it up. Hopefully you've seen everything you need to see here. On behalf of Machinery Consultants, I'd like to thank you for viewing this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks again.